Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to flip the camera on the YouTube Shorts app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the YouTube app, and to record the short you just have to tap on the upload icon and tap on create shorts. And now it is going to open up your camera, and you can start recording shorts by tapping on the record button. Obviously, you can either tap and hold, or you can just tap on it to start recording and then tap to stop it. It depends on the style of content that you are shooting. Now, if you want to switch the camera, you just have to go to the top right corner of the screen and tap on these arrows. And when you tap on them, it's going to switch the camera to the front camera, and just tap again to switch back. So in the same video you can record with the front camera and then just switch back to the back camera and go and record. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.